Hello children, welcome to our channel. I am Ashanna, Director of Sadhana Study Circle. I have been teaching mathematics last 26 years. In this video, I would like to teach you chapter 7 equal shades and equal groups. Nothing but division. In this division, we have to learn about division, parts of division. In this parts of division, dividend, divisor, quotient, remainder, and division rule, division fact, properties of division, and division by 10, 100,000. Let us learn one by one. What is division? The simplified process of repeated subtraction is called division. Division is the process of equal distribution. Division is the reciprocal of multiplication, and division is multiplicative inverse of multiplication. Now let us know parts of division. Parts of division. There are 4 parts in division. They are dividend, divisor, quotient, and remainder. Now, what is dividend? The number which we divide, the number which is divided is called dividend. What is divisor? The number by which we divide is called divisor. Next, quotient. What is a quotient? The result after division is called quotient. Next, remainder. The number remained after division is called remainder. The remainder is always less than the divisor. Let us see one example. 456. To divide or multiply, we have perfect in multiplication table. So here 3 table, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Crossing this 4, that's why 3 ones are 3. 1. 3 fives are 15. 0. 3 twos are 6. So in this 3 is the divisor, 456 is the dividend, 152 is the quotient, 0 is the remainder. Here we have one division rule. What is division rule? To check this division, is it right or wrong? We have a rule, that is division rule. The division rule is dividend is equal to division rule. Division rule. What is division rule? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So now we can check this problem. Here divisor 3, quotient 152, remainder 0. So 3 2s are 6, 152. 152 into 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, 1 carry, 3 1s are 3, 4. 456 plus 0. 456. 456. So we got this dividend. 456 we got. So this division is correct. Next, division fact. Every division fact has related two multiplication facts. We can see one example. 12 divided by 3 is equal to 3 4s are 4. This is a division fact. It is a division fact. From this division fact, we have two multiplication facts. One, 3 4s are 12. Second one, 4 3s are also 12. 3 4s are 12, or 3 4s are 12, or 4 3s are 12. Or multiplication facts. Or we can say, when we multiply two numbers in any order, the product is the same. When we multiply two numbers in any order, the product will be the same. Now, properties of division. When a number is divided by the same number, the quotient is 1. Example, 9 divided by 9 is equal to 1. When a number is divided by the same number, the quotient is 1. Next, the second one. When a number is divided by 1, the quotient is that number only. When a number is divided by 1, the quotient is the given number only. Example, 8 divided by 1 is equal to 8. So this is called division by 1. Division by 1. Property of division by 1. So next, when 0 is divided by any number, the quotient is 0. Example, 0 by 7 is equal to 0 only. And 0 by 100 is equal to 0 only. So, when 0 is divided by any number, the quotient is 0 only. Next, fourth one, division by 0. Division by 0. The property of division by 0. Division by 0 is not defined. A number is divided by 0, the quotient can't exist. So 5 divided by 0 not defined. Not defined. So we can say division by 0 is not defined. Easy ways to find remainder and quotient. In this easy ways to find remainder and quotient, we are going to learn division by 10, 100, 1000. Division by 10. When a number is divided by 10, the last digit is the remainder, and the number formed by the remaining digits is the quotient. Example, 123 divided by 10. So in this last digit, this is the remainder. Remainder is 3. The number formed by the remaining digits, 12, is the quotient. Is the quotient. Next, the second one, division by 100. When a number is divided by 100, the last two digits, means ones and tens, the number formed by the ones and tens places is a remainder, and the number formed by the remaining digits is quotient. Let us see one example. 123 divided by 4123 divided by 100. In this, ones, tens means last two digits. These are remainder 23. The number formed by the remaining digits 41 is the quotient. Next, division by 1000. When a number is divided by 1000, the last three digits from the right is remainder, and the number formed by the remaining digits is quotient. For example, 1234 12,345 divided by 1000. In this, last three digits, these are remainder. Number formed by the remaining digits is the quotient. So, remainder 345, quotient 12. Thank you, children. Thank you for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, you immediately subscribe and press the bell icon to get my latest updates, and also share it to your friends to help them and encourage me to make more interesting videos.